friends, I am Haider Ali, Assistant Professor, Government First Year College, Bantwal. For the first year BCom students, I am teaching Strategic Management and Organizational Behavior. Strategic Management is a subject which is introduced from the year 2019-20 as a part of CBCS, credit-based, choice-based credit system syllabus. In this syllabus is it has got 6 units. I would like to tell you about the units which we are going to take up in the whole 72 hours of teaching. It has 6 hours a week teaching load is there. Basically, the subject was strategic management. Of course, 2 chapters from organizational behavior is also included in the subject, so that it has 6 units. So unit number 1 is introduction to strategies. Unit number 2 is strategic management. Unit number 3 is environmental analysis. Unit number 4 is strategy formulation and implementation. Unit number 5 is introduction to organizational behavior. Unit number 6, foundation of individual behavior. So unit number 1 to 4 is of strategic management. Unit number 5 and 6 of organizational behavior. The subject, first part of this is introduction to strategies. So under which we are going to study something about the meaning of strategies, introduction to strategies, fundamentals of strategy, scope and importance of strategies, differences between goals, objectives of business, strategic intent through vision, mission statements, types of strategies, generic strategies. These are the things which we are going to study in the first unit, which is for 12 hours. The second unit is strategic management, need of strategies, scope, key features and importance, role of top management in strategic decision making, limitation of strategic management process. These are the topics which we're going to cover in this second chapter, which is of 12 hours in total. The third important chapter is environmental analysis. External environment, general, economic, socio-political, technological and legal environment. Also we study internal environment, structure, culture, core competencies, stakeholders and resources, SWOT analysis and SOAR analysis. The last unit part of syllabus of strategic management is strategy formulation and implementation, under which we are going to study introduction to strategy formulation, process in strategy formulations, strategy implementation stages, reasons for strategy failure and methods to overcome failure, strategic business units and BCG matrix. So these are the 4 chapters which is exclusively of strategic management, and the last, 5th chapter is on organizational behavior. 6th is also organizational behavior. So in organizational behavior, we are going to study introduction to organizational behavior, concept of organizational behavior, importance of organizational behavior, key elements of organizational behavior, role of managers in organizational behavior, interpersonal roles, informational roles, decisional roles, foundations or approaches to OB, challenges and opportunities for OB. And the last chapter is foundation of individual behavior, factors affecting individual behavior, personal, environmental and organizational factors. Personality, definitions and meaning of personality, determinants of personality, personality traits influencing organizational behavior, attitudes, job satisfaction, emotions and moods, major job attitudes, mean measuring job satisfaction, causes and impacts of job satisfaction, emotions and moods, emotional labor, emotional intelligence, organizational behavior applications of emotions and moods, perceptions and individual decision making, factors that influence perception, link between perception and individual decision making in organization, learning and learning cycle, components of learning. So these are the total subject which is included in the syllabus, which is detailed syllabus, blown out syllabus of organizational behavior, which has to be taught in the first year level itself. Now, before going down to the, this is what the small syllabus introduction. I would like to go to the next video, the strategic management introduction, later stages.